Hey guys, I'm Krishnika here and today we'll be making beautiful quilling paper earrings. And those of you who don't know what's quilling, it's a kind of paper which is cut into straps. So let's jump into the video, so let's go. And now we're going to take the quilling paper and roll it to make a circle. And as you roll it further and further, it will become bigger and bigger. Got my required size, so I'm gonna start shaping it into a jhumka. There are two ways of shaping a jhumka, that are either using our hands or using a tool. The shaping of the jhumka is done and now we're gonna paint it. I'm using some red acrylic paint as the base coat. And now I'm gonna make a floral design with golden acrylic paint. So the painting part is also done and now we are gonna add a stone chain on the bottom part of the jhumka. Now adding the stone chain is also done, so we are just gonna turn it into an earring now. So I am taking an eye pin and inserting it in the metal part of the jhumka. I am now inserting a pearl and earring hook into the eye pin and securing it. So the earring is done and see you guys in the next video. Bye, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.